Here's Valdavid to Mark Caguioa in heavy traffic almost. Para kay Mark Caguioa. Very strong player si Mark Caguioa. He was already smothered. Tatlo na humanap sa kanya pero he was still able to put up the shot.
At walang takot ng batang to. Nice,
Mo, ha?
nice drop pass.
Ayun.
So good.
And that slow was brought to you by PLDT Text 135. If you can say it, text it. For free activation, call 171. Sugod mga kapatid. Alam mo, dito sa Iloilo, makaya din ang mga tatapang to.
Oo.
Pagkat very historical din itong lugar na to. Lalo-lalo na yung Santa Barbara. So saan meron pang naalala kong history ko. Meron pa yung The Cry of Santa Barbara. Ayan, oo. Ayan, at here's Mark Caguioa from Glendale Community College. Ito po yung physical therapist. Kung si